Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x800704cf. It doesn't look like you're connected to the internet error, so this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time. Type in WS reset. Best match should come back with WS reset here. Go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. This is going to reset the Windows or Microsoft Store. And it should relaunch the Microsoft Store once it's done. It's a pretty straightforward process on that. If you are still experiencing a problem, another thing you can attempt would be to open up the start menu, type in network reset. Best match should come back with network reset right above system settings. So go ahead and left click on that. So please note that this will remove then reinstall all of your network adapters and other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. So just make sure you take note of whatever your Wi-Fi password is, so just so you have it handy, because you will need to re-enter it once you're identifying your Wi-Fi network once you restart your computer. So just select the Reset Now button. It's going to ask you one more time, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select yes in this prompt, and then you're going to have to restart your computer. So you're going to be signed out in 5 minutes. So just close out of any open programs and applications, restart your computer, and hopefully then your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.